We are a small family-owned and operated company. We have about 22 employees. We've been in business for 30 years. The quality of the machines that we operate keeps bringing us back to Vermeer. We're a drill company with 3 drill rigs that operate Monday through Friday, every single day drilling, not just Monday to Tuesday, and then nothing else after that. So it is very important for us to be able to have the confidence that those machines are going to work 5 days a week.
I've operated multiple sizes in drill. Today's current shot is going to be roughly 300 feet. It's relatively simple, should be a regular just shoot and pull. It's compact in size and it has a lot of power, more than the other smaller rigs, and it leaves a smaller footprint. It's a lot easier to use. My Vermeer dealership gives me confidence because they're always there when we need them, honestly. Whenever we call and we have problems, they are there to show up or they guide us through what we need. No questions asked.
The proximity of the dealerships in our area is great. It builds our confidence knowing that I have 3 dealerships or 4 dealerships very close by. If one dealership doesn't have it, somebody else will have it, or somebody will travel to get it.
Having Vermeer like in multiple cities close by allows you to expand your work area, but it gives you the confidence you ain't gotta worry about stuff breaking down and being stuck in a lurch.
The right part at the right time and at the price that I had promised them. I want to be their first guy. I want to be Vermeer to them, and everything that Vermeer stands for, I want them to feel that that's what I am and what I will deliver for them. When I tell you, hey, I'm going to have this thing for you next Monday, they can count on that and put that in the bank.
From the mechanics to the sales guys, to the behind the parts counter guys, everybody is amazing down there. We walk in, we're shaking hands, everybody calls you by your first name, very prompt, very sociable. It's a great experience every time we walk in the door down there.